What's up guys, today's video is about the top 5 best smoke and carbon monoxide detector of this year through extensive research and testing to put together a list of options. So what are the price, performance, and particular use? For more information on the products, do I have to include the links in the description box below which is updated for the best prices? Like the video. Do comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Kidde Nighthawk Carbon Monoxide Detector. The Kidde Nighthawk Carbon Monoxide Detector can sense the presence of carbon monoxide, providing continuous protection even during a power outage. Its digital display alerts to real-time carbon monoxide levels in the home and updates every 15 seconds to indicate any sudden changes. The peak level function shows the highest CO level recorded since the unit was last reset. This unit can be plugged directly into an outlet or used with the included corded adapter, and it has battery backup. When CO levels reach an unhealthy level, the Nighthawk emits 4 quick audible beeps every 5 seconds until the levels decrease or the reset button is pushed. Product specs. Type: standalone. Power supply. Plug-in. Battery backup. Yes. Pros: built-in digital display. Comes with battery backup. Multiple power sources. Updates every 15 seconds to indicate sudden changes. Cons: not smart home compatible. Number 2. Google Nest Protect Smoke Plus Carbon Monoxide Alarm. The Google Nest Protect Smoke Plus Carbon Monoxide Alarm is designed from the ground up to keep you safe, with a suite of high-powered sensors that not only let you know, within seconds, if you are experiencing a leak or fire, but where in the home the problem is coming from. The Nest Protect CO alarm operates smoothly with a related smart home app, transmitting via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and is available in 2 separate models, one that is hardwired and one that is powered by batteries. The battery-powered model comes with 6 lithium batteries, which will get you 5 years of use right out of the box. Though the sensors are rated to last for 10 years, which is nice, the warranty is only for 2 years, which is okay, but lower than most other products on this list. Additionally, this is an extremely expensive product, which could be an issue if you have a large home you are looking to fill with multiple sensors. It's a great addition to your other smart home and automation gear. Why we like it? Available in both wired and battery-powered models, with the latter boasting 5 years of battery life. Both models boast best-in-class sensors that can tell you where in the home any problems are coming from, and these products integrate nicely with a fantastic app, easily making these our top pick. Pros: 5-year battery. Locate source of smoke or carbon monoxide. App is easy to use. Cons: wired unit does not have battery backup. Number 3. X-Sense Carbon Monoxide Alarm Detector. Those who want to easily see carbon monoxide levels at all times should check out the X-Sense Carbon Monoxide Alarm Detector. This battery-operated carbon monoxide detector features an LCD display on the face that indicates the battery life and carbon monoxide ppm with a reading every 10 seconds. This allows users to monitor the ppm in their homes even before they reach dangerous levels. This model has a sensor with a 10-year lifespan and an 85 decibel alarm to notify residents when carbon monoxide reaches over 30 ppm. This carbon monoxide detector also has 3 LEDs to indicate alarm, fault, and normal operation. Product specs. Type: standalone. Power supply. Battery powered. Batteries included. Yes. Pros: LCD display. Readings every 10 seconds. Long-lasting lifespan. 85 decibel alarm. Cons: not smart home compatible. Number 4. First Alert Hardwired Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector. The First Alert Hardwired Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector is packed with a suite of photoelectric sensors as well as an electrochemical carbon monoxide sensor, which accurately detect trace amounts of both smoke and carbon monoxide and make sure you stay safe from carbon monoxide poisoning. The unit can connect wirelessly with other alarms you've installed in your smart home system, so they'll all go off at once in the case of a problem. The company also throws in a lengthy 7-year warranty, which is fantastic. This unit is hardwired, so it requires a lengthier installation than a battery-powered unit. Additionally, setting up multiple products to interact with one another can be somewhat confusing, forcing you to get perilously close to the product as it emits test alarms. The best Wi-Fi outdoor outlet can also help make your home smarter and safer. Why we like it. Features extremely accurate photoelectric sensors, a wired form factor that contains a battery backup for when the power goes out, and comes with a lengthy warranty of 7 years. This is a great wired unit that doubles down on safety, thanks to the battery backup. Pros: 7-year warranty. Battery backup. Connects to other alarms. Cons: installation requires some work. Number 5. Kidde Nighthawk Carbon Monoxide Detector. The Kidde Nighthawk Carbon Monoxide Detector can sense the presence of carbon monoxide, providing continuous protection even during a power outage. Its digital display alerts to real-time carbon monoxide levels in the home and updates every 15 seconds to indicate any sudden changes. The peak level function shows the highest CO level recorded since the unit was last reset. This unit can be plugged directly into an outlet or used with the included corded adapter, and it has battery backup. When CO levels reach an unhealthy level, the Nighthawk emits 4 quick audible beeps every 5 seconds until the levels decrease or the reset button is pushed. Product specs. Type: standalone. Power supply. Plug-in. Battery backup. Yes. Pros: built-in digital display. Comes with battery backup. Multiple power sources. Updates every 15 seconds to indicate sudden changes. Cons: not smart home compatible. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.